Hello everyone, welcome to a new video update for Ethereum. And Ethereum on the monthly chart, we have already given a study for it for the parabolic move that Ethereum has did since it's born. Now we are almost in the fourth cycle of Ethereum, and what I added to this study is where we see here, of course, five impulsive waves finishing the cycle one and the wave one as well. We saw three waves as well inside this impulse for a wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 3 also in the third cycle. And then we have seen also for three waves correction for a wave 4 and 1, 2, 3 as well, and here possibly finished wave 5 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the wave 5 was kind of like lower than the last cycle, which is not really nice to see. And if we want to consider this all the history as 1, 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it can be definitely, however, this looks very like a truncated wave 5. Truncation is when a wave 5 cannot reach the wave 3 higher high. And in this case, we can consider that this could be a reversal, as we can see exactly here on the monthly chart. And it can be considered as well that we are looking at a wave A for a correction A, B, C, or even this can be considered as wave A and then B and C, in case we are not considering this as truncated, rather three waves towards the upside, A, B, and C. However, if we want to take a closer look, of course, at this corrective area, we can do this, of course, starting by the daily chart, where we can see on the daily we have finished a contracting diagonal towards the upside. In this contracting diagonal, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is fine, where we see a healthy contracting diagonal towards the upside. However, this of course could be considered two options: a wave 1, or a wave A. Potentially, based on what we saw on the monthly chart, we cannot really be very optimistic and call it for a wave 1. Therefore, the wave 1 is a very low possibility scenario here, and the wave A has much higher possibility, of course. Therefore, if we have 5 waves for an A, that means we are looking at a zigzag A, B, and a C. Inside this zigzag, you have a finished wave A, of course, and possibly finished, of course, wave B. And we are looking for continuation towards the upside for a wave C. Now, if that is the case for a wave C, of course, it is preferably that the wave B here did not finish yet. It is preferably that the wave B finish exactly in this blue box, which is representing the time zone fibs that I already did here, but of course I placed it for clarity here to not have a lot of things. So I have represented in this simple blue box. Now, preferably that the wave B finish inside this blue box in form of 3 waves. Now, okay, well, you will say we already have 3 waves. How are we gonna end this? So if we already have 3 waves, then this is considered a wave A, then 3 waves towards the upside as B, and then 5 waves towards the downside as C, forming 3 waves, a regular flat or a zigzag, whatever it is. But it is most preferably that we finish this 3 waves inside the blue box. Now, once this wave B is finished, of course, then we are looking for 5 waves towards the upside. Of course, this is your target as well, same as for the blue box for the fifth time given for that wave C. Now, looking further inside this area, we can see, of course, on the 4-hour chart more information what is going on. So if we are looking now towards the upside to finish that wave B here, after having sorry, 3 waves down and 3 waves up. We are looking, of course, to finish this flat here correction, and finishing, of course, with the wave C as spoken before, which is gonna finish as well the wave B as spoken on the FIB time with the blue box. So therefore, what we are looking at here is, of course, a possible wave B, right, in 3 ways towards the upside, since we have seen here 3 waves towards the downside. And yeah, this 3 waves has started already impulsively with a 1, potentially a 2, it could be a 3, 4, 5, finishing this this impulse towards the upside. However, if that happened here, then okay, then we already still in a wave B and we are still corrective. So even if we see an impulse towards the upside, that doesn't mean, of course, that we are very, very impulse and we're gonna see very high prices. Okay, so the thing might shift after towards the downside. Other option that we are already in another zigzag, of course, 3 waves towards the upside. That could be, of course, something much more possible for a wave C hitting exactly the FIB targets and the time, preferably to hit, of course, for this wave C. As yeah, and here, of course, we have hit. We did not hit yet the FIB levels for a wave 2 anyway. Of course, preferably to hit it in case we want to look for an impulse. In case we didn't, then it's much more likely this is a zigzag. Okay, so that was it for Ethereum, the price updates. I hope that you like it, guys, given your targets and your FIB times as well. And please don't forget to hit the like button if you really like the content, and don't forget also to subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet for more updating videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.